Greetings everyone. Today we're working on this underfit, and what we're going to do today is take off the compressor and replace it with another one. So this is the one that we're going to replace it with, and we are taking off the bumper now. We take out the compressor now, and this is it. So this is the one that we're going to put on. This is the old one. So install it back now. We are checking for a leak on the system. So far we see no leak, so we're going to vacuum the system and regas it back. We are fitting up back the bumper now on the car. Meanwhile, system vacuum. After we finish vacuum it now, we're gonna start the engine and regas it.
Done. Those are the flipping days.
Compressor is on. Belt running. We're gonna gas it now.
Get rid.
Teamwork that we're talking about. Believing in each other. AC finish gas. Yes, the low side pipe is sweating. Nice. AC is cold again. So guys, we're going to check the cabin filter under the dashboard that filter the air inside the vehicle, and I'm just going to draw it out. As you see this filter, you know that it wants to change. We put in a new one inside. This filter is really terrible. Really terrible, so this cannot go back in the vehicle. We are disconnecting the gauge now. We fully gas up the system. Just make sure that no tool are left in the engine room before we close the bonnet. This is the old one, old and new. We're going to install the new one in the car now. I'm going to push it back. Where it come from? Okay, that's it. Put on back the cover. I'll just lock this part. That's it. So that's it, peeps. We are out.